Wait, this is Xerjoff Naxos. This is the scent everyone is talking about. Has this fragrance been watered down? Has the tobacco note of this fragrance been taken out? Is it just full of honey and nothing else? Or is it still the honey and tobacco masterpiece it always was? Let's get the vault open, let's break into it, and let's find out. So, the presentation. I like to do the presentations nice and quick, but with this one, this is something special. This is probably the most amazing presentation I've seen on a fragrance ever. So this is how the box comes at the beginning. So we get this nice box of Xerjoff at the front, Naxos written on the side. You get the volume 100 mils, a little 1961 side here, some information on the back, green, red, obviously, and the white, okay, for the flag. And then inside of this box, you end up getting another box. And this box is beautiful. It's like this fake leather type feel. We've got this stitching on the side, the big X, Xerjoff written at the front, and your fragrance opens up like this, which is just amazing, absolutely fantastic. We've got the big X at the front here on the box, and then it's also covered up in a nice little blanket, as it were. And we unfold the blanket, and once you unfold the blanket, you find your beautiful scent inside. And this pulls out as well, so you can actually tilt it to display it however you want to in your room. Absolutely amazing in your vault. So the fragrance, I'll put this box down here. So the fragrance itself is beautiful. We've got this obviously amazing Xerjoff cap, the iconic cap here, lovely in gold, and it's got Xerjoff written down the front. We've got the gold plaque with the big X, Naxos written at the bottom, 1861, with a bit of the Italian green red over there. You've also even got this tap to connect authenticity thing on the bottle, which you put your phone on and it takes you to the website and confirms it's legit. And then at the back, we've got this lovely little pattern embroidered into the back as well. This is absolutely amazing presentation. And as I said, this is the absolute pinnacle of all the fragrances I've got as far as presentation goes. It starts off absolutely amazing from the moment you get the package through the door and you unbox this amazing fragrance. Now guys, when we hit the fragrance notes for this one, in the top we've got that lavender, we've got that lemon, and we've got some bergamot in there. In the base we've got honey, we've got cinnamon, we've got cashmere, and that jasmine sambac. And then as we head down into the dry down, we've got that tobacco leaf, vanilla, and tonka bean. So let's get into this one and let's find out what this smells like. We'll take off the cap and we'll get to the atomizer and give it a little spray. We'll come down here. Beautiful atomizer, not overly wide, not too narrow, perfect in that Goldilocks zone. Oh wow, this is amazing. In the air, this smells unbelievable. This fragrance right here is amazingly done. Absolutely beautiful scent. In the air, you've got this sweetness coming through, but it's not overly sweet because there is that tobacco coming through, and it's a nice tobacco. It's not slamming in your face, it's playing along with the other notes, and those other notes are the honey and that vanilla. And the honey and vanilla in this is beautiful. It's so well done. It's mastery at its finest. This scent is just beautiful. And I don't need to lift my arm to my nose. I can just smell the air and smell this here right now. It's got this amazing lavender. And again, I know I said about the honey and the vanilla being masterfully done, but so's that lavender. It is unbelievably fantastic. So you have these three main notes of honey, vanilla, lavender, and then on top of that, that citrus in the open is pushing off, and you just smells divine. So you've got this sweet, citrusy, honey-esque opening with some tobacco coming from underneath and making this such a beautiful, beautiful smell. Now, as it dries down, and this is a complex fragrance. If you saw my scent of the day video, I put this on this morning, and I've been wearing this all day, and I'm really glad I did, because you need to appreciate the complexity of this fragrance itself. It changes, and if you've seen some of my other videos, you know I love a scent that changes throughout the day. The opening is all about the citrus and the honey and the sweetness, but as it dries down, and this is about 40 minutes or so, 40 minutes into 40-minute mark, it starts to dry down nicely, and it changes, and it becomes deeper, and the tobacco starts to project off, and it gets this aromatic smell and feel to it. It's almost floral. There's a little bit of powderiness to this, but it's also got this warm, spicy smell, and it's absolutely phenomenal. This is amazing. And for anyone who you've heard saying it's been watered down, it doesn't smell of tobacco, I'm telling you now, I don't get paid by anyone. This is my own channel. You know, I haven't got loads of videos. This is simply done because I love fragrances and I love collecting them. And I'm telling you, the tobacco is there. It's there right now. I'm smelling it in the air. I'm smelling it off my skin, and it is beautiful. And it's playing with that citrus. It's playing with that honey and that lavender, and it's causing this most amazing, beautiful scent. The tobacco is really well done. I don't think you want a tobacco that just slams you in the face with this fragrance. It wouldn't work. This works beautifully as it is, and I can smell it. You can smell the tobacco, and it makes this scent beautiful. Absolutely amazing scent. Amazing. Now, when it comes to performance and compliments with this fragrance, it performs so beautifully. This gives me a good 9 to 10 hours off skin. It projects really strong for the first 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and people smell this in the air, and it does everything I want a fragrance to do. I have no issues with the performance or the projection of Xerjoff Naxos. It is absolutely wonderful. And people smell it, and because people smell it, you're going to get the compliments. Say I had this on this morning, put this on, went to work, and I didn't redo it because obviously I didn't want to take my niche perfume out with me, because I was being a little bit, well, don't want it to break or something like that. So I just put on what I put on in the morning, and I went out, and people could smell this, and I was like, that's really nice. What is that? I can really smells like honey. What's that smell? And that's the thing, it does smell. It's got this sweetness to it, and that sweetness of that honey, and that tobacco brings it into a really rounded, elegant fragrance. And this is definitely unisex. This could be worn by men, women, anyone. It's probably, for me personally, I think it leans slightly more masculine, but then people can wear what they want to wear. A scent is a scent. It's what smells nice for you. But that tobacco does push through and make it just a little bit more masculine in my eyes. But again, a woman would absolutely rock this just as well as a man, and it's beautiful. Gets the compliments, gets the projection, gets the length of time on your skin, and it still pushes out perfect. Time of year. This is what makes this so special to me, because if you overspray this in summer, it is going to come too chlorine, because it's got that vanilla in there, and it's got that honey, okay, and it's going to start being a bit chlorine. But if you do the right thing and dial back the sprays on this in the summer, this can be worn in the summer, because you're getting that citrusy burst off the top. You're getting that projection and that freshness off the top before it sits down into that deepness and depth of that tobacco in the dry down. So this is amazing for any time of year. Like I said, January right now, I put this on this morning. Started to snow at work this morning, okay? A little bit of snow, just a tiny little bit, but it started to snow, so it was cold, and people could smell this because it's got that ability to just cut through the cold. And obviously, if you're wearing it in the summer, it's going to project as your body warms up as well. So dial back on the sprays in summer, enjoy the sprays in the winter. You can wear this all year round. I love this, and I think this works no matter what time of year. And that's what's beautiful about this. This scent here is a masterpiece. It is niche perfumery at its best. Not only that, it comes with the best packaging I've ever seen in any perfumery I've ever got. Okay, I absolutely love the presentation. I love the quality. I love the scent profile, and I love the way this smells and projects. It does everything wonderfully. Now, it's over £200 normally RIP, but it seems like at the minute in January in the UK, people are selling this at a really good deal. £150 over what you'd pay if you was to get Tom Ford. Okay, 300, 150. Leighton, okay, and granted I'm talking about 200ml, yeah, but even so, 150, £385. Yeah. I think at the moment this is a really good deal, and it's a phenomenal scent. The Vault verdict for this one is going to be a full 10 out of 10. I cannot knock this in any way. It performs, it projects, it smells amazing. People smell it off my skin. I enjoy the scent profile of it. The versatility and the fact I can wear it anywhere I want to at any time of year makes this amazing. Okay, now it is still £150, so you've got to use it carefully. I would love to have the money to make that a daily scent, but I can't. So I still use it on those special occasions, and it is absolutely beautiful. I really highly, highly, highly recommend you pick this one up. £150 with the presentation it's got. You will want to keep the box. You will want to put it on display because it is so beautiful. And the scent, you will want to wear it because it's so amazing. 10 out of 10. Pick this one up. Absolutely amazing fragrance. Now, Team Fantastic, let me know. Do you still pick up the tobacco like I do in this fragrance? Do you think the new batches have been watered down, or do you think this still projects and performs just like myself in the most amazing, gorgeous way? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, until the next time, this is the Scentsory Vault closed.